Hi, I'm Hector Delgado and I'm going to present the 6 processes to change the shape of a material. The first process is forming process. Forming processes are particularly manufacturing processes which make use of a suitable stress, like compression, tension, shear, or combined stress, which cause plastic deformation of the material. During this process, no material is removed, they are deformed and displaced. Here is an example of the deformed process, that is the forming process. The characteristics. Some of the characteristics are very high loads of stress required, there are large, heavy and expensive machinery, and the production runs with many parts to maximize the economy of production and compensate the expenses of the machine tools. This is a video of roll forming.
Through a series of roll stands that change the sheet's shape. The sheet undergoes what is called a profile bending. Roll form details are very common in, for instance, the furniture, construction and car industry.
The next process is hydroforming process. What is hydroforming process? Hydroforming is a metal fabrication and forming process which allows the shaping of metals such as steel, stainless steel, copper, aluminum, and brass. This process is a cost-effective and special type of die molding that utilizes highly pressurized fluid. This is an example at hydroforming. Some of the examples are satellite antennas, lining fixture housing and reflector, the brass tube of Yamaha saxophones, and the Bicys frames and some motor vehicles.
Although fluid-forming presses perform the same function as conventional draw presses, they operate in a distinctively different manner. Sheet hydroforming presses use only a male die. The work of a female die to form the blank over the male die is performed by a chamber of pressurized water. By using pressurized water, forming stress is distributed more evenly throughout the part, reducing localized thinning and stress concentrations that can occur with conventional stamping, while allowing for more complex shapes and a deeper draw in a single stroke. Fluid forming is ideal for forming sheet steel as well as lightweight materials such as aluminum.
Forging process. What is forging process? Forging process is a metal forging process that involves applying compressive forces to a workpiece to deform it and create a desired geometric change to a material that is almost permanently. Here is an example of forging, that is heat the metal until deformed. There are basically 3 methods to make a forged part: impression die forging, cold forging, open die forging, and seamless roll ring forging. The next process is extrusion process. The extrusion process is used for manufacturing long and straight metal parts. The shape of the cross-section can be solid round, rectangular, or T-shape. Extrusion is done by squeezing the metal in a die by using a mechanical or hydraulic press. Here is an example where you press it and it comes to the other way by taking a die. These are some of the features of the extrusion process. That is cost effective, surface finish that is very excellent, highly quality, and the wide variety of cross sections can be made, and it's almost thickness. The next process is punching process. This process is so basic and is a metal fabricating process that removes a scrap slug from the metal workpiece each time a punch enters the punching die. This process leaves a hole in metal workpiece. I will present an image to explain a little bit. This you will see is the punch, and it's punched too fast that it make a hole and make it scrap. This is some of the characteristics that is making clearly holes and make it easy and fast and so clean that we won't make any mistake or try to not make. Like in this video, that we see that it makes it fast and easy. And that was the punching process, sorry. The next one is the last one, that is stamping process. What is stamping process? Also known as pressing. Well, this process is of placing such sheet metal, either blank or coil, form into a stamping press, where a tool and die surface forms the metal into a new net shape. Here are an example. It's pretty same as punching, but it will make some different stuff that I will explain. Metal stamping can be applied or varied to materials based on their unique metal working qualities for a number of applications across a wide range of industries like aerospace, agriculture, ammunition, automotive. And here is a video of example of the metal stamping that is done by Warren Industries. Well, this is all for me. Thank you for watching, subscribe, and I hope you like it.